Ever wondered how to become a funded crypto trader without risking your own money? Well, with HyroTrader, you can prove your skills, pass a simple evaluation, and get funded up to $1 million. In this video, we'll break down the evaluation process, profit targets, and how to secure your trading account with HyroTrader. Let's dive in. So welcome back to the channel. Now, if you love crypto trading and want to level up your career, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest content. What we're going to be doing today is we're covering everything that you need to know about HyroTrader's evaluation process. From how to start, how long it will take, and what happens after you pass. If you're ready to become a funded trader, stick around. How to become a trader with HyroTrader. To become a trader with HyroTrader, what you need to do is complete the evaluation process. This consists of step 1 being the HyroTrader challenge itself. This is where you trade on a demo account for an unlimited time whilst following the trading rules. You can choose to trade with Bybit or Clio integration. And what you need to do is hit the profit targets while staying within the risk parameters. Once you pass that, you're on to step 2. Step 2 is the verification stage, and you continue trading on the demo account to verify your consistency, and you're following the trading objectives to prove that your strategy is solid. Once approved, then you become an official HyroTrader. After that, you need to finalize your HyroTrader account. What you need to do is complete KYC verification, passport, national ID, driver's license, and sign the trader contract, and then get access to your funded account. Just an important note, there's no automatic approvals, and traders that have criminal records or are under 18 years are not eligible to become HyroTraders. So how long does this process take? Well, you can complete the HyroTrader challenge in as little as 10 to 15 trading days. You have a 1-step or a 2-step option, and in the 2-step option, you have the first step, obviously, which is the challenge, which is the minimum of 10 trading days. Not consecutive, but just 10 trading days. Step 2 will be the verification part of it, which is a minimum 5 trading days, again, not consecutive. And then you have the evaluation and funded account. In the 1-step option, there's no verification step required, you just complete step 1. Once you pass, you can start managing your HyroTrader account immediately. So what happens after you pass? Well, first off, congratulations, you've passed both phases, but now what? First off, your account balance is adjusted to reflect your funded accounts. Secondly, you'll receive your certification, and you'll be able to find that within your Hyro profile under certificates. Now, we do say though, do not trade during the review and transition phase, because if you do, all trades will be recorded, but they don't actually count towards the payout yet. Last of all, your challenge fee is refunded with your first profit split, and you get this as a separate crypto payment. So let's talk about the profit goals and trading rules. Each evaluation phase has different profit targets and risk management rules. For example, in the 1-step challenge, the rules are profit target is 10%, daily drawdown of only 4%, and max loss of 8%. In the 2-step challenge, the profit target is 15%, daily drawdown is 5%, and the max loss is 10%. There is a soft breach rule that if you forget to set the stop loss, you'll get a 1-hour grace period to fix it before failing, so please never forget the stop loss. You're not allowed to copy trade, you must trade independently to pass the evaluation. With the leverage and asset selection, you can trade with leverage, it is optional, and it can help maximize gains. And you can trade in micro lots as long as they meet the minimum size requirements, and you can trade 1 asset pair as long as it aligns with the rules. Here's a few common questions that we get asked as well. Will I be notified if I pass the challenge? Yes, 100%. Our system automatically reviews the challenges, but you can also contact us on email, live chat, Discord for updates on your progress. How long does it take to receive verification approval? You can expect a review within 1 to 2 business days after passing phase 1 or phase 2. Will I be notified if I break a rule? Yes. Most violations trigger immediate email notifications. Risk per trade violations are reviewed daily. Do I need KYC before the challenge? No. No KYC is needed for the demo challenges, but KYC is required after the verification for real accounts. Can I trade at my own pace? Yes. There's absolutely no time limit. You can trade at your own speed. What happens if I fail due to missing a stop loss? Well, you get a 1-time warning and 1 hour to fix it. A second offense though does mean it's an account failure. Can I pause my challenge? You can pause, but accounts that have been inactive for 30 days or more will be disabled. So that's everything you need to know about HyroTrader's evaluation process. If you're confident in your trading skills, this could be your shot at managing a $1 million trading account. Are you ready to get started? Well, the link is in the description below as usual, and drop any questions into the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you stay updated with our latest trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.